you want to find out how to fix this issue where your standard power truck does not want to start no matter how hard you push the clutch in, watch this video. I got a couple ideas for you. Why? I'm going to attempt to show you why my clutch is not letting me start the truck. So clutch pedal pushes in. It's kind of hard right now because I'm doing it with my hand. This little piece is supposed to press this button in. I thought maybe the floor mat was getting in the way. It improved slightly taking out the mat, but I still was pressing it all the way to the wall to get it to work. To the wood pile. That little wood spacer is like what I use high heel shoes for. Just give me a couple extra inches, you know what I'm saying? So it'll hit that button. See where I'm going with this? Some zip ties, you're good to go. Alright, I can't take credit for this one. My ex showed me how to do this, but go to the fuse box and we'll do a little trickery. Check your little chocolate box map here, and mine is STA. I don't know if they're all the same, but I'm going to yank that fuse out. Yoink! I don't know that this little wire has a name, but it's got two spade connector thingies on each end. So just a little piece of wire. I'm not saying you should do this, but this is what I did. When I popped that fuse out, I basically replaced it with this little jumpy wired quick connect thingy, which basically tells the computer that that button is pressed, even if my clutch pedal is not pressing it. Yeah. AI could never. Little close-up of what that looks like without me shaking the camera around. Bing bop boop bop boom bop bam, like butter, starts first time, no effort.